I used to get the buzzing noises a lot throughout my life, even when I was a kid. And most of the times that happens when I oversleep. Even when I was a kid, I had no idea what it was. It used to scare the shit out of me. Um, I used to think it was like an alarm clock telling me that I'm oversleeping and it's time to get up. But of course, as I got into OBEs, I realized it's part of the vibrational state and a great way to know that you're about to exit your body. So, oversleeping a lot, I seem to get the buzzing noises a lot more. And I think it's some type of combination between my body and mind, one being awake more than the other. So, it's from one time being really scared of it to now looking forward to it.